The first Indian pilot. Answer J.R.D. Tata. The first Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Answer Justice Hiralal J. Kania. The first person to receive Nobel Prize in Economics. Answer Amartya Sen. The first person of Indian origin to receive Nobel Prize in Medicine. Answer Hargobind Khurana. The first Chief Election Commissioner. Answer Sukumar Sen. The first person to reach empty Everest without oxygen. Answer Sherpa Onga Dorji. The first Judge of International Court of Justice. Answer Dr. Nagendra Singh. The first Chief of Army Staff. Answer K. M. Karyappa. The first Home Minister of India. Answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The first Education Minister. Answer Abdul Kalam Azad. The first Vice President of India. Answer Dr. Radhakrishnan. The first Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Answer Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar. The first Indian to cross English Channel. Answer Mihir Sen. The first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award. Answer Dr. Radhakrishnan. The first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics. Answer C.V. Raman. The first Field Marshal of India. Answer S.H.F. Manekshaw. The first Prime Minister of India who did not face the Parliament. Answer Charan Singh. The first Indian Commander-in-Chief of India. Answer General Karyappa. India's first man in space. Answer Rakesh Sharma. The first Indian to join the ICS. Answer Satyendra Nath Tagore. The first man who introduced printing press in India. Answer James Hickey. The first Muslim President of India. Answer Dr. Zakir Hussain. The first President of Indian National Congress. Answer Umesh Chunder Banerjee. The first Indian to win Nobel Prize. Answer Rabindranath Tagore. The first Prime Minister of Free India. Answer Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The first President of Indian Republic. Answer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The first and last Indian to be Governor General of Free India. Answer C. Rajgopalachari. The first Governor General of Free India. Answer Lord Mountbatten. The first British Viceroy of India. Answer Lord Canning. The first British Governor General of India. Answer Lord William Bentinck. The first British Governor General of Bengal. Answer Lord Warren Hastings. Last Governor of Bengal. Answer Warren Hastings. First Governor of Bengal. Answer Lord Clive.